welcome. If you have been experiencing spiritual chills on your journey, then this video is for you. Spiritual chills defines when you get goosebumps from positive outside or internal stimuli, which could be memories, compliments, inspiring music, movies, a loved one, time with friends, praying, praising God, meditation, receiving a confirmation, feeling motivated to strive, gratefulness, and most importantly, feel a cold or hot, euphoric / blissful wave flowing underneath your skin. This euphoric wave can be learned to be brought up on demand consciously for long durations without the physical reaction of goosebumps and can give one the ability to do incredible feats with it. This video will be about if this occurrence can be a sign of a spirit close by. Spiritual chills can occur without you having the intention to bring them up, and in this case, while you are doing nothing or just walking through a room / location. The biggest question is this caused by a spirit? Yes, and this could happen in two cases. The first one is the non-physical being in that room approached you enough to the point that it touched you. But since it isn't in a physical body, the only you that it can touch is your spirit. Now, depending on your emotional state, your spirit will either have taken the shape of your body, or be concentrated in your car, or be reaching meters outside of your physical body, ideally in a 360 manner. Which brings me to the second way that a non-physical being could touch you. It would be if your spiritual energy has reached out so much, creating an auric field. If that is the case, that non-physical being would only be able to interact with your expanded field and not be able to come closer to your physical body. Either way, its contact with you can be compared to the way water reacts when it is disturbed by an outside object, leaving ripples on it, ultimately causing your spiritual body to activate your spiritual energy and having it ripple to the point of you having the physical reaction of goosebumps. Thank you for watching this video, and tune in next week for videos going more in depth on what you can do, how to strengthen it, how to feel it, and much more on spiritual chills.